welcome to the second part of the Unity terrain tutorial that I'm doing. Like I said last time, I'm going to create a small flower bush today. So once again, we'll just go to game object, 3D object, and we'll create a new tree. If I can find this. Okay, but I'll just delete this quickly. Okay, there we go. Actually, maybe I should keep this tree in here so that we can have a reference as to how big our flower bush should be. Anyway, so I'll go back to my tree settings, diminish my area spread, go to my stem, I guess in this case. Okay, increase the frequency on for a flower bush you want a bit more, I guess something like that. Okay, increase the, well, not increase but change the group seed. Oh, no, okay, whatever, I'll just, there we go. Okay, so we've got a small bush. Why can't I, oh, there we go. And obviously this is way too big, but it doesn't matter because I'll just scale it down later when the entire thing is finished. Okay, so let's go here. Wait, I'll come back to that later. I'll just go to flower stalk texture like I did last time. Go here, and I used this one last time and it worked pretty well. So I'll say okay, fine, let's just put this into Photoshop quickly, and then we select this part, we say full content aware, okay, and it's gone. Okay, and now we save this to Unity projects, terrain tutorial, assets, textures and materials, and we save it as a PNG. Okay, there we go. So you can go away. Where am I now? There. Okay, so for your branch material you would use, oh, I haven't created the material yet. First go here, alien head material, you call this stem, and go to the legacy, just bump diffuse, and then use this. Okay, back to here, then we stem, boom, and apply. Okay, there we go. We've got a basic stem material on here and it doesn't look that bad. Now I'm going to add leaves. Wait, maybe I should just get my leaf texture. So I'm going to make a new Photoshop template or canvas or whatever, and I'm going to set it to my preset texture, which is 540 by 540. I'll call this leaf flower. Go back here, okay.
Middle way and try to find some agreement with the unions if it wants.
Okay, and we're back in Unity. So what I basically did is I just cut out this leaf, and then I added it to a canvas which is texture size, and then I just deleted the background and saved it as a PNG. And now I'm going to, let's see if I could, no I couldn't, whatever. I'll just create a new material, call this leaf flower, surprise surprise. Go to legacy shaders, transparent, bump diffuse, maybe just diffuse, I'm not sure. And then leaf flower, let's find this one. Okay, there we go, we've got some nice flower leaves on a material. Yeah, I like that. Okay, back to our flower bush. I'll add the leaf material to the stem. Well, the stem. Okay, and that doesn't look too good. I'm just gonna change the grip seed, like, yeah, I like that. Then increase the frequency a lot and decrease the size, and then maybe increase it. Okay. This bar here once again represents the range in which the sizes of your leaves lay. Okay, I will probably just fast forward the part now where I was struggling with the leaves, and now I'll add some flowers to this. Maybe I'll just add a few branches so that I can make sure that my flowers are exactly where I want them to be. I'll just convert this quickly. Okay, I'll increase the growth angle. I'll choose world. Decrease the length. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So on the second set of branches that I have, if you can call it branches, I'll just add the stem material again. Okay, and then we have to go back to Photoshop. Okay, so after I've done all that, I'm back in Unity. I'm going to create a new material just like for all the other leaves. Call this flower yellow. Legacy transparent cutout, I forgot about that. And bomb diffuse. Okay, and then I'll just choose, where's my flower? There we go. And there we've got a nice transparent flower material. Okay, back on this, I'm going to add leaves to our small little branches there. And I'm going to increase the frequency because I want, like, you know, add materials to this. And there we go. So we've got some nice, well, not very aligned flowers in there, or just maybe horizontally aligned all of them, more or less. And then perpendicular line. Okay. It doesn't look too bad at all, I must say. I'm impressed. Add some more flowers just to make it pretty. There we go. Wow, I actually like this a lot. Now, I will just decrease the size of this flower bush until it is, well, realistic, more or less. And there we go. We've got a tree and we've got a small flower bush. The next tutorial will be on terrain creating.